PowerPoint lets you use an existing outline as a guide to build a presentation. In Word, select View Outline. To create your slide titles, select Main Headings while pressing Ctrl key. Select Body Text Level 1. To create your slide bullet points, select the subheadings. Select Body Text Level 2. Make changes or edits if you need to. To save, select File, Save. Open a blank PowerPoint document. Select New Slide, Slides from Outline. Select your document and select Insert. And your outline appears as slides, which you can edit like any other presentation.